Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reset Roblox avatar to default. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Roblox and go to the avatar section from the left side. Then go to Customize section. First, go to Body section and select Head. Once you're there, select the default smile face. After that, go to the Hair section and select this one default hair. Now go back to Full Body section and open this dropdown. First, select Torso and hit Apply. Then choose this one. Then again, go to that menu. Select right arm, and then select this one. Same goes for the left arm. And then select this one. Now, for the right leg, select this one. Finally, for the left leg, select this one. Now, head to the clothing section and then select classic shirts from here. Then select this one from here. Next, go to Classic Pants section and select this one right here. Once everything is selected, return to your character page and review your avatar. You should now see your avatar restored with the default appearance and basic items equipped. And that's it. So that's basically how you can reset Roblox avatar to default. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!